Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing this back massager. So basically it's a massager which you can put on your seat, and it has like back massaging function, neck massaging function, and a heat function. So this thing was sent to me by the company called Naipo, and they sell their products on Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description box to you guys to see. And I think this massager was for $150. They have different massagers available. If you want a massager just for your neck, you'll get it there, so you can see all their products. So it comes with this giant seat, and it has a remote with it. You can see it has this heat function, then a function for neck and back. Then you can also do a targeted massage, and it comes with a car charger, so you can use it in your car too. So that's that. And then you have this additional cable to plug into your wall socket. So I love to put it on my sofa and relax that way, but you can take it to your office, your car, your chair, wherever like you want to take it, and it comes with all the necessary cords and cables. So to start off with, that's how the entire unit looks like. And yeah, you can see here, you can feel there are massagers, and they roll, they shift up and down, and they give little bit of pressure to your neck, and you feel really relaxing. And you can like adjust the pressure from here, like you can press up, down, full function, and you can adjust the intensity from here. And you can also target a specific area, like where in your neck you want this massage, so you can move it up and down, and like if you want it in your full neck. So that's that. And here is like for seat too, and with all these functions you can have like your seat heated. So you have this option of having heated massage or like without heat. So I really love this unit, especially for my husband. He's in like a desk job, so he is on his chair for 8 hours daily. He loves this thing. I mean, he says it's amazing. And what I felt about this thing was it was pretty much like the massage chairs you have in the mall, and it gives you similar feeling. And I really enjoy it. So I can do it now at comfort of my home, and I really love this unit. And I really recommend this thing for the people who need to sit down for long hours and have like back problems and stuff like that. It's really relaxing and it's awesome. So guys, I'll show you some of the functions. So here is the power button. As soon as you hit this, there is a light which will come on, and you can see I have plugged it into my wall socket. And now this unit is ready. And if you want heat, press it here, and you'll see like the bottom part and this part of this unit would be heating. And then you have this thing, like you can see the heat thing. So the unit is already heating. So this is the cover, and you can see everything, all the rollers here. So these are the rollers, and the seat too heats up, and it vibrates too. So now if I want, like if I press seat, so you can see the seat is vibrating, and you can I think you can hear the noise. If you want, you can just turn it off, like it's increasing, but after like few clicks it like turns it off. So see, it's off now. So with first click it will start. It's not like very severe. Then if you need more, you press again. You can see the intensity, and when you press again, this is like the highest they can go, and then like it turns off. So you have options here too, and it's really awesome like to have options. And you can see here it's like targeted massage, like whenever you are moving your rollers up and down, if you feel you need massage at this spot only, just press the target button and it'll like set at that location and it'll keep on massaging at that part. So if you can see, I'll start with the neck, and in neck too you have like clockwise and anti-clockwise. So if you press it once, it'll be like doing it clockwise. If you press it again, it'll do it anti-clockwise. So similarly, so you can see I just pressed this and now I'll press it again. See how it started to do anti-clockwise and clockwise thing. And you can also move it up and down, so it will move little up. So the remote is really handy, and you got a pocket here to put it inside while you are doing the massage and enjoy your massage. So this is for the neck thing. At the same time, if you want to do the back, so that's how the back is like, and you see it has started. If I lift the cover, you can see, and if I move it up, see it's moving up. So that's how it works. So I press down, it's coming down. So now if I press up, it will stop and go up. So if I press target, I'll show you, it will remain here and massage this area. So if you want to turn this thing off, just press power off button and it turns off immediately. So in my opinion, this is really a good product. I mean, it's really helping us both with our tiredness and tight muscles. I would really like to have something like this at my home, just to like, you know, do a little bit of massaging whenever needed. And I mean, the price point is right because it has like a lot of functions. It has heat, it has neck massaging, you are getting hip massager here, back massager here, vibrations. So I think price point is like right for this product, and I really love how it feels and how it relaxes you. So that was all for this video, guys, and this was not sponsored on it or anything. I just got this product for free to try out, and I'm sharing my honest views with you guys. So that's that, and that's all for this video, guys. I'll catch you up later in my next video. Till then, bye bye.